If you're struggling with bad credit, you are not alone. There is good news. With the right credit card, you can improve your credit score. Hi everyone, my name is Archie with Smart Wealth Management. And if you have bad credit or possibly no credit at all, maybe rebuilding credit, and you're searching for the best credit card for your situation, you have come to the right place. Today, I'm going to give you 7 great reasons why you might want to consider the Discover It secured credit card. I see you, New Jersey. Well, I say that because when searching Google Trends for people searching for the Discover IT secured credit card, their numbers are basically light years above everyone else's. Well, great, now everybody just left to watch the stuff on Google Trends. Well, anyway, if you're still with me, I would like to mention that a few years ago, my daughter came to me for advice on what credit card we might get for our grandson entering college. Well, after looking at all the possibilities at that time, just like on this video that we're about to talk about, she decided on the Discover secured credit card. We both thought and hoped that this would be a great time to get him a credit card and a good way to start his financial journey. But we knew there could be bumps along the way. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll let you know what happened, and it may not be what you think. We did create a review on our website, smartwealthmanagement.org, that covers the card in much greater detail. We also added a table of contents so you can jump right in to any spot you're interested in. Now, close your eyes for just a minute. Of course not if you're driving, just pull over. Imagine you're climbing a mountain, but you're weighed down by this heavy backpack. This backpack is basically your bad credit. It's making this climb a lot harder. We've all been there. Maybe a bill went unpaid, or you're just starting to build credit. Whatever the reason, bad credit can make getting a decent credit card feel almost impossible. But don't worry, there are special tools, like certain credit cards, that can lighten your load and you can reach to the top. I want to talk a minute about the importance of credit cards for bad credit. Having bad credit can feel like a never-ending cycle. You can't get approved for loans or credit cards because of your low credit score. But you need those things to improve your credit score. It's like a catch-22 that can be frustrating and discouraging. That's where credit cards for bad credit come in. These cards are designed specially for people with less than perfect credit histories. They can give you a chance to prove yourself and start rebuilding your credit and credit score one responsible payment at a time. As usual, if you have any questions or comments, please take a minute and put that in the comments below. And I have to ask a favor of you. If you would please subscribe to our channel, it doesn't cost you a cent, and it would really help us with the Google algorithm. That said, on with the show. The Discover It secured credit card. This card is like having a cheerleader for your credit score. Not only helps you build credit, but also rewards you for good behavior. Now I'd like to go over the top 7 benefits for the Discover It credit card. Number 1, their rewards program. Earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 each quarter, and 1% on all purchases, and Discover matches all cash back after 1 year. Number 2, there's no annual fee with this card. You will not pay an annual fee with this credit card. Number 3, the security deposit. A refundable deposit is required, starting at $200. Their maximum is $2,500. This is basically your credit limit. Number 4, free credit score. You're able to access your FICO credit score for free with this card. Number 5, automatic reviews. Discover does actually review your account starting at 7 months to see if you can transition to an unsecured card. And the best part, you get your deposit back. How could you beat that? Number 6, no foreign transaction fees. If you travel at all, you know it costs 3% on some cards for this. So this is a big benefit. And number 7, online privacy protection. So, why do we like this card? Discover It secured card really seems to have an edge over other cards for one reason, their cashback program. Earning 2% back at gas stations and restaurants, up to $1,000 a quarter, plus 1% on other purchases, really is a great benefit for a secured credit card. The cashback match alone the first year is also a generous perk. This could appeal to someone looking to maximize rewards while rebuilding their credit, and their free credit score also helps you track your progress. Now I'd like to mention 6 key tips that will help you on your credit journey. Before you apply for any credit card, make sure you check out all their rates as well as their terms and conditions published on their website. Of course, sometimes it might be hard to find. Number 2, make all your payments on time, every time. Number 3, keep credit utilization below 30% of your total credit. Number 4, use your credit card responsibly for small, routine purchases. Don't go crazy buying new cars, refrigerators, and so on. Number 5, please consider setting up autopay so you never miss a due date. And number 6, remember to check your credit card statements regularly for errors and fraud. Happens a lot more than you think. Now the best part, our 2 cents. Rebuilding your credit is like climbing that mountain. It's tough, but with the right tools, you can make it to the top. The cards I just mentioned earlier are designed to help you lighten your load as you set in your path to better credit. Remember to use your card responsibly, make small purchases, pay your bills on time, and keep your balance low. Over time, you will see an improvement on your credit score. It will improve. That's our 2 cents. And good luck on your journey to better credit. I'll bet you clicked on this video because you're thinking about getting the Discover It secured credit card. Am I right? But let's be real. You didn't wake up saying, hey, I need a new credit card. It's like going to the hardware store because you want that fancy new 24-volt drill, but what you really need is just a 1/4-inch hole. So what you're really after is boosting your credit score and unlocking a better financial future. No matter what journey you're on, whether you're building, rebuilding, or growing your credit, my team and I at Smart Wealth Management are here to help you every step of the way. Well, if you stuck around with us until now, I'm going to continue with that cliffhanger regarding my grandson and his shiny new Discover It secured credit card. Since that time, my grandson was able to get a few years of college under his belt and not only benefit from all the perks from the Discover It credit card, but now a few years later, he has a credit score of over 800 and thinking about buying his first new car. So yes, this could be your story too. We also have several videos that might help you on the way to building or rebuilding your credit. Above me are just 2 you might want to take a look at. Don't leave just yet. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button, and if you found this helpful, maybe even interesting, why keep it yourself? Please pass it on to someone else, and please hit that like button. If you enjoyed the ride, this would mean the world to us. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, and that's a wrap.